Keep your microwave fresh and efficient by regularly flushing out the internal pipes. Remove the water tank and make sure the drip tray is empty. Start by adding 100 grams of water to the water tank and then return the trays to their original positions. Press the cleaning button, then turn the dial to select F1 drain water. Press the dial to confirm the selection, then press it again to start the cycle. The system will pump water through the pipes and drain it into the drip tray. Once complete, empty the drip tray and you're done. Maintain top performance by giving your microwave a deep internal clean. Start by removing the water tank and make sure your drip tray is empty. Next, make a cleaning solution. Some options include adding citric acid or lemon juice to 200 grams of water. Add the solution to the water tank and then return it to its original position. Press the cleaning button and then turn the dial to select F2 system cleaning. Press the dial to confirm and then press it again to start. The first stage will run for about 29 minutes. When the program pauses, empty the drip tray and refill the water tank to the maximum level with tap water. Press the dial to start the rinse cycle. After about 1 minute, the cycle will finish. Empty the drip tray again and you're done. Eliminate lingering odors and keep your microwave smelling fresh. For a natural lemon fresh scent, simply place a sliced lemon inside the microwave before running the cycle. Press the cleaning button, then turn the dial to select F3 deodorization. Press the dial to confirm and then press it again to start. The cycle runs for about 20 minutes, giving you a fresh, clean-smelling microwave oven. Ensure a hygienic cooking environment by cleaning the microwave cavity. Make sure the water tank is filled before you begin. Press the cleaning button, then turn the dial to select F4 cavity cleaning. Press the dial to confirm and then press it again to start. The cavity cleaning cycle runs for about 20 minutes, helping to break down grease and grime. Once it's finished, empty the drip tray, and for a super clean finish, wipe down the cavity with warm soapy water.